I'm waiting for your classmates to join the class. Just we will wait for 5 minutes more and then start. So, how are you feeling that your semester is started and the whole day is busy now online? Anyone want to share your experience? ऑनलाइन अच्छा है ऑफलाइन अच्छा है क्या लगता है आपको
Ma'am, offline will better.
ऑफलाइन will be better. Any other views? Today I'm in college. From college I'm conducting your lab. No students, only labs, only PCs and nothing else. Yes, all are agreeing that offline is very better. Me too. I know, but I don't know how many chances are there to start the college. Yes, need to travel. Let's see if you are reading newspaper in today's newspaper also. We are supposed to start from 15th of Feb, but there are no clear instructions from university how to conduct it. I don't know how colleges are going to take the decision regarding this. Because if you know your friends in other colleges, they are also running online only. Only thing, if possible, we will try to see if we can call you for a practical at least in the college, but that is also not yet sure. Fine, I guess 45 students are there. Yes, Arya. Where are you staying right now?
I'm Kolhapur.
Okay, you're from Kolhapur,
Yes, ma'am. I'm not from Mumbai.
but proper Kolhapur.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine. I guess this time also we will go online only. Let's see, we will try to see for this subject, for practicals at least, maximum experiments are possible because there is a programming part only. Only for the first three experiments, not first, second, third, and fourth. Somewhere we need the hardware part, but for that also simulation tools are available. So we will try to get it done with simulation. And if time permits, somewhere up here, and then start for the first lab. Is my word screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you. Now, for the laboratory, this subject is microprocessor lab. And in your theory part, maximum part of microprocessor you are going to study here. So the lab outcomes designed for these are the first one, LO1 is demonstrate various components and peripherals of computer system that we are going to see in today's first practical, a case study experiment we all will be performing. Second lab outcome is your analyze and design combinational circuits for which 2-3 experiments are added in the experiment list. For that, if time permits, we will see offline or we will be going with the simulation tool. Third, fourth, and fifth, and sixth are based on your 8086 microprocessor. So basically, in the theory part, we are going to study 8086 microprocessor, its architecture, its register organization, how to write program for assembly language programming, then various types of instructions supported by 8086, and then we will learn various types of instructions like there are string instruction, then there are loop instruction, then there are functions to write your procedures, string operations, and then the last part is again a hardware experiment where interfacing of these peripherals, other devices with your main microprocessor 8086 is there. So for this experiment, we need to experiment number sorry LO6 and LO2, basically we need some hardware part. So let's see how time permits and we will go for that. For this, there are total 12 experiments I have added in the list. Other than this 12 also, we are going to see various programs on 8086. But in the file for the experiments, we are going to keep these 12 experiments. From that, the first one we are going to start today is study of motherboard technology, various connections, ports used in your computer communication. That will be the first experiment based on LO1. Then next three experiments are based on LO2, where we are going to verify the truth tables of logic gates. We are going to design the circuits for half adder and full adder. We have multiplexer and demultiplexer concept, so we are going to design a circuit for that. Then experiment number 5 till 11 are the programs that we are going to write in the TASM software. Assembly language program we will write and see how microprocessor gives you the output for this. And the last one is the interfacing. Interfacing is for 7-segment display we are going to study here. So this will be your total 12 experiments that we are going to study here in microprocessor lab. As I told you, we are not going to have practical exam. We will be having oral examination on this. But in the theory paper, normally one program is always asked on your 8086 microprocessor. So these are very interesting programs and very easy to learn. Once you understand how to write the assembly language instructions, these programs you will be finding quite easy. So for today, we are going to start this with, you please note down this title of the experiment. I hope if you all are working with your laptop or desktop machine, you can note it down directly over there. Study of PC motherboard technology. Study of PC motherboard technology. In bracket, it is written South Bridge and North Bridge. South Bridge and North Bridge. Comma, various connections and ports. Various connections and ports used in computer communication. I read out one more time. Study of PC motherboard technology, North Bridge and South Bridge, various connections and ports used in computer communication. I will stop sharing my screen and just we will have a little bit discussion over here. Good, I'm finding 55 students in the meeting.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, could you please one more time repeat?
okay. Study of PC motherboard technology. Study of PC motherboard technology, South Bridge and North Bridge. South Bridge and North Bridge, various connections and ports, comma, various connections and ports used in computer communication.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Now see here. Very good. Anurag has typed here. Very good. I could have done this. Sorry, I couldn't realize that. Thank you. Okay, fine. Now, many of you have already must have learned about the computer assembling part, and all of you are using your desktop machines or laptop machines, or anytime in the lab also you must have used your desktop machine. So, can you tell me which are the major components of any desktop machine?
Power supply, RAM, hard disk,
Power supply, RAM, hard disk,
motherboard,
motherboard. Okay.
graphics card,
Okay.
then mouse,
CPU,
keyboard,
CPU,
CPU. Okay. Mouse,
processor,
processor. Okay. Then,
adapters,
okay, adapters. Anything is missed out?
SATA cable,
Can you please repeat?
connection SATA cable and remote cable.
For connection. Acha, you are saying about SATA cable. Okay, okay. Huh. Next,
Ma'am, drives for storage.
that is hard disk or any other
Yes.
drives. All storage drives you are talking about.
Yes, ma'am.
IO devices,
IO devices, very correct. Anything else? Those who have checked what is there inside the box. Normally we see the desktop machine. I'm talking about desktop, not. Yes, Sandeep?
cooler,
Cooler, yes, yes, cooler. That is cooling fan is there. Yes. Generate a document file, generate a PDF file for this study experiment. This is your first study experiment, study of PC motherboard technology. When I search that, I find that there is a concept of South Bridge and North Bridge. Read it out, what exactly is called for South Bridge, for what connections it is called as a North Bridge. Then go for checking various connections and ports which are used in computer communication. So you know that when I'm calling it as a computer communication, what I need to have communication devices like LAN card, graphic card, then I should be having ports to connect my IO devices, printers, so all kinds of input output as well as network devices. So for that, which all ports are available, you can search information on that. You can find very nice images or picture files for that. Use whichever file you find that it is relevant to support my answer. You can use that and add some little bit of theory part on every topic. If I am finding that I got something for the graphic card, so I will take one image of graphic card and I will write some theory about that. Right means definitely I am going to search on the Google, and whichever relevant part I'm finding, I'm trying to design my experiment with that. So this is your first experiment. For today's task is start working on this one. Use LaTeX software. Don't use MS Word. Use LaTeX software to generate your PDF file for study of PC motherboard technology, various connections and ports used in your computer communication. When you will be designing it, what part should be there in your document, that part I will be posting in the chat box, like your roll number and then your name and experiment number, that everything I will be posting. Right now you just start searching your information that you require for experiment number 1, and then I will tell you how to design it. What should be the layout of the document, that I will be showing you very shortly. So start working on that. I am available here live. Any doubts you are getting, you can ask me. I'm assuming that you are working at your end and I'm available here to help you out. So please start working on this.
Ma'am, can you please share the subtopic about motherboard, or we have to share a topic about whole motherboard?
You can decide. What I am expecting is it should be telling me about the motherboard. South bridge and north bridge is the basic one. And then addition to that, you can talk about the connections ports available on motherboard.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I tell you this document should not go beyond 7 to 8 pages. I'm saying 7 to 8 pages because we are going to add various image files over there. So that will take some space. So don't go beyond that. I don't want 20 pages document. Got it? Just the basic information search and read it out properly.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Aditya.
Ma'am, could you repeat what all we have to do now?
That's
Once.
what that, yeah, I will repeat. What you do is search on the Google for motherboard technology. Your title of the experiment will be the whole title that is posted right now in the chat box. You will be searching the information on PC motherboard technology. That will include at least 1 or 2 diagrams where it will be showing the PC motherboard image properly. Then you talk about the South Bridge and North Bridge. So when you search on the Google, you will be clearly getting the diagram showing this part is South Bridge and this part is North Bridge. So write something about that. Write something about PC motherboard. Then search for various connections and ports used in computer communication or which are available on your motherboard. So that will include all kinds of connections or ports available for IO devices, connections available for other devices like display, printer, this one, LAN card, then all add-on devices that you are supposed to connect to your desktop machine. So that all information you will be searching. For all these things, definitely you are going to get very nice picture files on Google. Whichever file you find relevant, you add that in your document. Next part of layout of this one I will be telling you. For every image that you are going to add there, picture file or image, for every picture file you are supposed to write down the title for the image. For example, if I am adding motherboard image, what I will be writing as a title is PC motherboard. Image of PC motherboard. If that is the image of PC motherboard, I will just write down figure 1.1 PC motherboard. Then figure 1.2, I'm just giving an example. It can be the image showing North Bridge and South Bridge. So I will be writing figure 1.2 South and North Bridge of motherboard. So like that, find out the relevant titles and you will be adding that down the image. Like if I have added one image, I will be writing first image and then at the below image के नीचे आपको image का figure number and title of the figure add करना है. Aditya, just now I said the same thing, no? Still you want me to list out? See, this is the study experiment. So what I feel is the general idea I have given. Now it is up to you what all things you want to add there. I just repeat, I don't want this experiment should be going beyond 6 to 8 pages. Max to max, go up to 8 pages only. Don't go beyond that. Don't go for 10 or 20 pages because this is a simple one study experiment. So now it is your skill. I hope you all are understanding. When I'm searching on the Google, definitely me and you all are going to get the same content on the Google. But what content I feel is relevant and I'm using, and what you feel is relevant and you are using will be different. So what I am expecting is you will be giving me all individual experiment copies. Don't copy each other. तूने क्या लिखा है, मैंने ये लिखा है, तूने और क्या ऐड किया है. Don't go for that. Just think you will be evaluated whatever experiment you are going to submit there. So don't go for copy paste. If I find any of the copies are same, definitely I'm going to ask both the students to change the copies. So better you don't share the things with others. If you have any doubts, show it to me. After submitting, after checking your experiment, if I find that nahi, isme ye chahiye tha, wo chahiye tha, I will give you the relevant addition things, whatever instructions, updates I want, and then you go likewise. I hope you all are understanding what I'm trying to tell you. So you start working on that. As you will start searching the content, you will be getting doubts. Then you ask me. I am here only. Right now you start working. Okay, meanwhile, let me tell you, on your Google Classroom, I have posted the attendance list from where you will get your serial numbers, because I just checked for last 2 days attendance. So your numbers are varying, and many students have written the same number. Like for number 8 or for number 10, just example, I'm getting 2 or 3 entries of different students. So better you refer the attendance list which is posted on Google Classroom and write that serial number only. Diploma student names are not there, so diploma students can write their name till they get the number. Just write your name. I'm going to map you with your names only. And I'm posting the attendance link here, so you please mark your attendance also.